everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to today's video. Well guys, in today's video I have 3 subscription boxes to open and share with you guys. I have my Macys Beauty Box, I have my Woven T-shirt subscription, and I also have my MintMongoose Jewelry subscription. Now, if you just want to watch a certain unboxing, at the bottom of the screen, I break the videos up into chapters. If you run your mouse along the bottom of the screen, you will see where you can just jump to the box that you want to watch. Okay, well, first off, before I open anything though, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you like unboxing videos, because that's what I do. And of course, to all my regular subscribers, thank you and welcome back. Now, what shall I start with? I'm going to start with my MintMongoose, which is a jewelry subscription service. It is $15.99 a month, and you get 3 pieces of jewelry sent to your house every month, and that does include shipping. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. It comes in this. She always gives you a little postcard, gives you a little story of what her inspiration was for this month. Now, when you sign up for this, you have the option of choosing your metals. You can choose gold, rose gold, or silver. Right now, I'm into silver. I've been doing silver for a while, but when I first signed up, I was all into rose gold. But got bored, so I switched over to silver. Now, they also have an option if you want where you can say, surprise me, so you never know what you're getting. So I might try that one pretty soon because I'm getting a lot of silver pieces. Okay, so when you open it up, there's a little thank you card in here, and there's usually a piece of Werther's candy. And I don't have my Werther's candy. I always give it to my husband. That's his favorite thing. He's like, where's my candy? So he's not gonna get his candy this month. Okay, so let me go ahead and unwrap this and then we'll get straight into the piece. Okay, so here is the necklace. I'll also include a close-up picture of it so you can see it very good. And then here's the little earrings. I know she's done little circles like this before. Not very big. They're basic. I mean, I will wear them, but this is not the biggest wow month that I've seen her do. She's had some very lovely, lovely pieces. I like when she does stone pieces the most. But I will wear these, so. Okay, so you can see how this matches up to this. It's always a complete set, a complete vibe. And she has one more necklace. And usually that's what it is. It is 2 necklaces and a pair of earrings. Now, she does have the option, if you guys don't want earrings, you can choose, I think, I can't remember 100% sure, but I think you can choose either a bracelet or a ring. So here is the chain, as you can see, what it looks like up close. And I will go ahead and put this one on too. Okay, so here is the set this month from MintMongoose. It's cute, I like it. It's not the biggest wow month that she's ever done, but I'm happy with it nonetheless, and I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so before I get into Macy's, I think I'll go ahead and do my Woven. Now, for those of you who don't know what Woven is a t-shirt subscription company. I had to write it down because I don't do these videos very often. It is a t-shirt subscription service. It is $9 a month for blank t-shirts, which is what we get, and $13 if you choose graphic. And they also have long sleeves. The short sleeves, those are the prices for the short sleeves. The long sleeves are $20. And they have men, women, and children. Now, if you are interested in this, you can get 50% off your first t-shirt. I will leave the link down below. Just click on that link and it'll give a referral link and you get 50% off your first t-shirt to try. Now, I get this from my husband because he works in a warehouse and he needs new t-shirts every month. So this is auto for us. We get this every month. And I think I'm gonna start switching into long sleeve since we're starting to get more into cooler weather. But this month, I just ordered the black. They have several colors. And I think we have probably got every color under the rainbow from them because we get it every month. But this month I chose black just to refresh his wardrobe and get some basic black pieces. He always needs black pieces. Now the blend on this is 60% cotton and 40% polyester. These t-shirts do not fade. I highly recommend them. He loves these. These are a staple for him. So yeah, remember, I have a referral link for 50% off your first t-shirt if you would like to try it. They do have it for men, women, and children. And the graphic design, I will tell you guys right now, they have only one graphic design every month in case you're interested in that option. You do not get to choose that option though. It is whatever the artist of the month is. So you never know what you're gonna get with the graphics. But they've always had nice graphics, so I'm just gonna say that about it. I've never been disappointed. Okay, so that is the Woven, if you would like to try that. Now, let's go ahead and get into Macys Beauty Box. Macys Beauty Box is $15 a month. You get 5 deluxe sample sizes, plus 1 free item. And I think they usually include a makeup bag in here. And I have a link down below if you would like to use it. I don't think there's any discount on there. And I think you have to get on a waiting list, which does take a little bit. So, oh, I did watch some unboxings, but I forgot how beautiful this was. Oh, look at this month's beauty bag. Oh my God, that is so cute. I love it. We just need a special moment for that bag right there. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, so everything is in here, and it says right here, oops, it looks like they had the substitute something in our box, so I don't know what that is yet. And here's the little brochure that tells you about everything in the box. And before I open this, we're gonna start with the thing that's on the outside of the box that they didn't put in the bag. And this is a hydrating Lavendar TONYMOLY sheet mask. And let's see, okay. This month's theme is about Colorama. They always have a theme too. And it says, pop some pigments into every area of your beauty routine. Oh, that's why the beautiful bag, Colorama. Okay, I get it. A bright complexion and fragrance that basically speaks for themselves. Ready to find a new favorite color? Yes, ma'am, I am. Okay, so let's talk about this hydrating Lavendar. Okay, this is what they must have substituted, because if you look in here, it says I'm hemp. So it was supposed to be a hemp sheet mask. So they substituted it with this lavender, which, hey, I'm fine with that too. So it's basically just like all your face masks. You tear open, apply to face, leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, and then remove. And lavender is nice and calming, I think, so that'd be good to put on right before bed. So let's go ahead and open this beauty bag. And everything comes wrapped in the little pink tissue paper. Okay, so they always give you perfume samples, usually a male fragrance and a female fragrance. So I'm gonna start with that first. And we have 2. We have by Herrera, Bad Boy. Okay, let's talk about this one. It says, modern and confident, yet bold and relaxed. Bad Boy brings the duality of spicy and woodsy notes that keeps him feeling down to earth, but ready to tackle anything coming his way. Full-size value of this is $108. So let me spritz this real quick and see how this smells. Oh, I do like that. Yeah, definitely pass that on to my husband. And then we have, oh man, that just gets better. Wow, I think I love it. Bad Boy. Well, there you go. All right. Oh, and then we got Good Girl. So let's see what I think about Good Girl. Oh, Very Good Girl. And this is also by Herrera. I hope I'm saying her name right. I don't know. It says, for those moments when you're feeling hot, 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 reach for Herrera's newest scent with notes of playful, mischievous red currant and seductive heart of rose. This floral fragrance is a must-have. Full-size value of this is $132. Wow, Bad Boy's really strong right now, so let's see if I can get some Good Girl going here. Some Good Girl and Bad Boy. I like that. That's a good play. Oh man, she knows what she's doing. I like both of these. Like, no lie, for real. Love both of these. I'm gonna put on some good girl. My husband gonna put on some bad boy, and we gonna smell nice. All right. Okay, let's go. Oh, bareMinerals. So here's the next item out, and this is bareMinerals, and this is a Mineralist Gloss Bomb. And it says, now you can give your lips the best of both worlds. A nourishing balm and a high shine gloss, all in one pretty package. Cold pressed fruit oils, keep your lips feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated all day long. In other words, this will be in your pocket or purse for the rest of the time. And full size value of this is $20. Oh, so that is great. That is a good size too to put in my purse. So let's see. That's the way it looks. I'm gonna apply it to my hand because I do have lipstick on, but that's the way it looks. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. It has a fruity scent. Fruity scents always help, right? So that's the way it looks. It just gives your lips a little bit of a little pop of color, but not like lipstick. All right, and then it looks like we have something else, and this is from Clinique. And that's what I like about Macy's, good name brand stuff. Oh, and this is lipstick. I should have looked and put this on in order. This is Almost Lipstick in Black Honey, and it says, remember mood rings? Well, imagine that, but for your lips. Mood lipstick, okay. Transparent pigment blends with the natural tone of your lips to create a hue that's completely unique to you. It's like a custom color without having to put in the work. And the price on this is $20. Okay, well, hold on folks, because I'm gonna have to wipe all this off because I want to see what this does. So I will be back in a moment. Okay, I went and got most of it wiped off. So let me open it for you. So let's see what this mood lipstick is going to do. This is the way it looks. That looks very, very dark. Now when I put it on my hand, you can hardly see it. So let's see what it does. It's very hydrating. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like the color? This is obviously my color. It says, swipe the sheer coverage over your lips and watch the magic happen. All right, I'll take it. I'll use it. I'll stick it in my purse. Let me put the lip gloss on over top of it and see how that works. Oh, I love the smell of that. Oh, it smells so good. All right, so there's the lips, the two lip products. So I like those. Not bad. And now we have something from Clarins Paris. Clarins New Extra Firming Energy Day Cream. And it says, no matter the weather, grab some sunshine made specifically for your skin. This 2-in-1 day cream visibly firms skin and boost your natural glow with a formula of vitamin-charged superfruits. Full-size value of this is $88, and it says apply to the face and neck every morning for a radiant skin throughout the day. So, okay, let me open this. I don't smell anything. Let me show you what it looks like so you guys can see. Oh, it's kind of orange. Okay. Wasn't really expecting that, but okay, it is in the orange packaging. Oh, feels very nice and luxurious. Very buttery, very thick and moisturizing. Yeah, I don't smell anything. So it's just a nice, day cream. So, okay, I will be excited to try that. And then the last one out is this, which is Mineral Fusion Sea Salt Nail Polish. So this is some nail polish. Oh, it looks like a light pink color. That's pretty. Blushing Crystal. So this is Blushing Crystal. And the full size of this is $8.99. And we all know about fingernail polish. I'm not gonna go into it, but I'll just put this on real quick to show you. It's a nice natural, very pale pink, very sheer polish. So nice when you want a nice clean look, not bad. Okay, was there anything else that I'm forgetting? Let me wipe this off before that dries because I don't want that on there. I think that's it. Oh, but look at the Good Girl perfume. Like, that's what the bottle looks like. Like, oh my God, what a cool perfume bottle, right? That looks really cute. I like that. So, okay, not a bad box again this month. We got the beautiful ombre rainbow makeup bag. We got the nail polish. We got the Clarins Day Cream. We got the Mood lipstick from Clinique. We got the lip gloss. We got the Bad Boy perfume and the Good Girl perfume. Really like both of those. Both really love. And the TONYMOLY lavender mask. So I got all that for $15. If you would like to sign up, remember I have a link down in the description box down below. Just check into this. You do have to get on a waiting list. It usually takes a couple months usually, but I've heard some people have had to wait longer. But it's really a fun box and you get to try some good products every month. So what were your favorites? What did you think of the jewelry this month? Let me know your opinion. And also, what did you think of Macy's? Okay, well, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.